Did the aliens really land on Earth? The question of whether aliens have ever landed on Earth has captivated humanity's imagination for centuries. This episode explores the vast realm of extraterrestrial visitation theories, from ancient astronaut hypotheses to contemporary UFO sightings and encounters. While no definitive proof exists to confirm alien landings, the abundance of circumstantial evidence, anecdotal accounts, and scientific inquiries makes this subject both fascinating and complex. Introduction. The concept of extraterrestrial life visiting Earth is not new. Ancient civilizations, modern ufologists, scientists, and the general public have all speculated on this possibility. The evidence supporting alien landings ranges from historical records and artifacts to modern-day sightings and encounters, forming a mosaic of intrigue and mystery. Despite the lack of concrete evidence, the persistent interest and investigation into this phenomenon suggest a deep-rooted human curiosity about our place in the universe and the possibility of intelligent life beyond Earth. Historical perspectives and ancient alien theories. Ancient civilizations and extraterrestrial influence. Many proponents of the ancient astronaut theory argue that extraterrestrial beings visited Earth thousands of years ago, influencing early human civilizations. They point to ancient texts, artifacts, and architectural marvels as evidence of this contact. For example, the pyramids of Giza, the Nazca lines in Peru, and the advanced astronomical knowledge of the Mayans are often cited as potential indicators of alien influence. The ancient Sumerians, one of the earliest known civilizations, left behind cuneiform tablets that some interpret as depicting interactions with extraterrestrial beings. The Sumerian gods, or Anunnaki, are sometimes viewed as potential visitors from another world who imparted knowledge and technology to humanity. Mythology and religious texts. Mythological stories and religious texts across various cultures also contain references that some interpret as encounters with extraterrestrial beings. The biblical account of Ezekiel's vision, described in the book of Ezekiel, is one such example. Ezekiel describes a flying chariot with wheels within wheels, accompanied by beings with a human-like appearance, which some modern interpretations suggest could be a description of a spacecraft and its occupants. Similarly, the Hindu texts, such as the Vedas and the Mahabharata, contain references to flying machines called vimanas and advanced weaponry that resemble descriptions of modern technology. These ancient stories have fueled speculation that humanity may have been visited by extraterrestrial beings in the distant past. Modern UFO sightings and encounters. The Roswell Incident. One of the most famous and controversial UFO incidents in modern history is the Roswell Incident of 1947. In Roswell, New Mexico, an unidentified object crashed, leading to widespread speculation that it was an extraterrestrial spacecraft. Initially, the U.S. military reported the recovery of a flying disc, but this statement was quickly retracted and the debris was later described as a weather balloon. Despite official explanations, the Roswell incident remains a focal point for UFO enthusiasts and conspiracy theorists. Numerous witnesses have come forward over the years, claiming to have seen the crash site, alien bodies, and military cover-ups. These accounts, combined with government secrecy, have perpetuated the belief that Roswell was indeed an extraterrestrial event, have Project Blue Book and government investigations. In response to increasing public interest and sightings of UFOs, the United States Air Force initiated several investigative projects, the most notable being Project Blue Book. Running from 1952 to 1969, Project Blue Book aimed to determine whether UFOs were a threat to national security and to scientifically analyze UFO-related data. Out of over 12,000 reported sightings, the project concluded that most could be explained by conventional means, such as aircraft, weather phenomena, or hoaxes. However, a small percentage of cases remained unexplained. These unresolved cases continue to fuel speculation about extraterrestrial visitation. The Phoenix Lights. The Phoenix Lights incident of 1997 is another well-documented UFO sighting. Thousands of people in Arizona and Nevada witnessed a series of bright lights arranged in a V-shaped formation moving across the night sky. Despite explanations from authorities attributing the lights to military flares, many witnesses, including former Arizona Governor Fife Symington, believed the event was extraterrestrial in nature. The mass sighting and subsequent government responses have kept the Phoenix Lights incident in the public eye, highlighting the ongoing debate between official explanations and the belief in alien visitation. Scientific approaches to extraterrestrial life. The search for extraterrestrial intelligence, SETI. The scientific community has long been interested in the possibility of extraterrestrial life, with the search for extraterrestrial intelligence being at the forefront of these efforts. SETI uses radio telescopes to listen for signals from other civilizations, operating on the assumption that intelligent beings might use radio waves for communication. Despite decades of searching, SETI has not yet found definitive evidence of extraterrestrial intelligence. However, the vastness of the universe and the relatively short duration of the search leave open the possibility that intelligent life exists elsewhere. The Drake equation. Astrophysicist Frank Drake developed the Drake equation to estimate the number of advanced civilizations in our galaxy that might be capable of communication. The equation considers factors such as the rate of star formation, the fraction of stars with planetary systems, and the likelihood of life developing and becoming technologically advanced. While the equation itself does not provide direct evidence of extraterrestrial life, it highlights the many variables involved and suggests that intelligent civilizations could exist. The search for these civilizations continues to be a significant scientific endeavor. Astrobiology and Exoplanets. Advancements in astrobiology and the discovery of exoplanets, planets outside our solar system, have expanded our understanding of where life might exist. The discovery of potentially habitable exoplanets, such as those in the habitable zone of their stars, where liquid water could exist, increases the likelihood that life could arise elsewhere in the universe. Missions like the Kepler Space Telescope and the Transiting Exoplanet Survey Satellite, TESS, have identified thousands of exoplanets, some of which may have conditions suitable for life. While these discoveries do not confirm extraterrestrial visitation, they provide compelling reasons to continue searching. Debunking and Skepticism. Psychological and sociological explanations. Many UFO sightings and encounters can be explained through psychological and sociological lenses. Human perception is fallible, and people often misinterpret natural phenomena or man-made objects as extraterrestrial. Additionally, the power of suggestion and cultural influence can lead to shared beliefs in UFOs and alien encounters. Mass hysteria, false memories, and cognitive biases play significant roles in shaping people's perceptions and interpretations of unexplained events. These factors must be considered when evaluating UFO sightings and alleged alien encounters. Hoaxes and misinformation. Hoaxes and misinformation have also contributed to the proliferation of UFO stories and alien encounter claims. Some individuals fabricate stories for attention, financial gain, or as practical jokes. These hoaxes can be elaborate, involving staged photos, fake documents, and false testimonies, making it difficult to discern genuine encounters from fabrications. The spread of misinformation, especially in the age of the internet, has further complicated the UFO phenomenon. Viral videos, doctored images, and unverified reports can quickly gain traction, perpetuating myths and false narratives about extraterrestrial visitation. Conclusion. The question of whether aliens have ever landed on Earth remains unresolved. While no definitive proof exists to confirm such events, the extensive body of anecdotal evidence, historical records, and scientific inquiries ensures that the topic remains a subject of fascination and debate. The possibility of extraterrestrial life visiting Earth challenges our understanding of the universe and our place within it. Whether through ancient astronaut theories, modern UFO sightings, or scientific exploration, humanity's quest to answer this profound question continues. As technology and scientific knowledge advance, we may one day uncover the truth about our cosmic neighbors and their potential visits to our world.